Okay, I have another favorite question. So here, you need to find two quadratic functions. One that opens upward, the other one opens downward. And now you are given these two x-intercepts, okay? So the question also says there are actually many correct answers. So you just need to answer one, basically. Okay, so let's begin. I usually like to, let me draw a better line, okay? So this is my xy axis, and then I'm gonna label my 7, 0, which is this point, and negative 7, 0, this point. So hopefully, graphically speaking, you know there are infinitely many different solutions. So let's say opens upward, okay? For instance, I can draw a couple for you. Do you take a look at this guy? Do you see that this is pretty wide? And but it passes through these two, right? Okay, and now I'm gonna draw another one for you. So this is pretty, oops, it's tough to draw on my tablet here. So this is pretty thin, but also pass through, right? And you can imagine there are infinitely many possibility now. So the trick is how do we graph or create at least one? So here's the trick, and you do know that the function passes through these 2 points. So in other words, these 2 points are solutions for your function, right? When you set that to 0. So in other words, you must be able to, so this is a root. This is x minus negative 7. This is one root. And then x minus 7. This is another one. So from here, you have, when you set this to 0, you know, when you set this to 0, you know x equals 7 has to be an answer from here. X equals negative 7 has to be an answer from here. You see that these are the two x-intercepts, right? So therefore, this is actually one possible solution, okay? So with that, let me continue to simplify. This is x plus 7 times x minus 7, which is x squared minus 49. Okay, so one possible answer is x squared minus 49. All right. Now you might wonder, hey, how do you find another possible one? Easy. That's very easy. You just say, how about I 2 times this guy? Okay, isn't that they still have the same solution? One is 7, one is negative 7. So basically, you can multiply this by 2. So I'm gonna multiply this by 2. Okay, so therefore you get 2x squared minus 98. So this is another possible solution. So basically you can multiply these products by any number, any k. So any number you can multiply by 3, by 4, by 5, any positive number, I'm sorry, because we are looking for the ones that's open upward. Open upward, that means this number has to be positive, cannot be negative. So here it has to be positive. Okay, but again, you just need to find one. So this is the first one that I found. Okay, now the other one, the second part, open downward. Previously, we already say x squared minus 49, right? One easy way to find one solution that's open downward is I'm gonna copy it down. And then what I need to do is I just need to add a negative sign. What does this negative sign do? Flip it upside down, okay? So if you have a graph like that, when you do the with a negative sign, it's just mirror image with respect to x-axis. So therefore, this is another answer, which is if you drop the parentheses, it will be 49 minus x squared, or you can just say negative x squared plus 49. Anyway, so that's one possible answer here.